Hello, here's the National Weather Forecast coming to you from the Bureau with a focus on Thursday the 17th of October, and we will see some active weather across the south with the development of this low pressure area over South Australia. It's a very humid atmosphere at the moment, so that means we get the risk of damaging wind, but we also could see some areas of heavy rain and severe storms across SA and parts of the southeast during Thursday. But as we make our way around the states, we will see that in Queensland we sort of avoid all that bad weather and tend towards a fairly settled sunny day. There's a couple of exceptions to that. Chance of a quick afternoon shower in the southeast, including around Brisbane, but if you get something, it shouldn't last that long. And then some slightly more persistent showers through the day along that north tropical coast, mostly north of Townsville. Inland parts of the state get both pretty warm and rather windy. Working our way down the coast, we'll see these severe storms from the last few days along the New South Wales coast clear up mostly overnight or early in the morning, and then we tend towards a fine day along the coast, including 23 degrees and some sunshine in Sydney. But at the same time, we see the next round of showers and storms build in the west of the state. The possibility is there for some severe thunderstorms over those western districts, which could bring damaging wind gusts or large hail. A warm day around ACT with Canberra heading towards the mid-20s, mostly fine, but you might get a shower in the evening or overnight. Down to Victoria now, and we will see showers building in the west of the state in the morning. A warm start elsewhere, but the showers will reach Melbourne and eastern areas around about lunchtime, and then the rest of the day we'll see those showers off and on. It's quite warm, it's quite humid. It's one of those days where it sort of feels like there might be a storm in the atmosphere, and for many of us there could be, because the risk of thunderstorms really builds across central and western parts of the state during Thursday afternoon, particularly up here in the northwest where we could see severe thunderstorms bring damaging wind gusts. A tricky day in Tasmania to get the details right, because there are showers around, mostly tending to the western districts, but at times getting across to the eastern side of the state as well. For Hobart, that will mostly be in the morning where you see that risk of showers, with a pretty bright and sunny afternoon and evening and a high temperature of 21. All right, to South Australia now. Really warm, really windy day. There's a big damaging wind warning in place, which I'll show you shortly. But before we see that warning area, let's also look at the rainfall, which develops in the southwest during the morning. And then about lunchtime, we could see showers build around Adelaide and the southeast. And through the afternoon, pretty much anywhere in the state could see a thunderstorm. And for many, that's the chance of a severe storm. So that means the possibility of damaging wind gusts, large hail, or maybe one or two areas of heavy rain that could lead to flash flooding. And we could see some of those storms across the capital during the second half of the day. Wind will be strong pretty much everywhere, but strongest in this warning area here. We'll just take the names away and we can see the warning is north and west of Adelaide. A fairly mild day across southwestern WA, including Perth, couple of morning showers and southwest breezes, then a sunny afternoon. Elsewhere, showers and a possible storm along the Esperance and Eucla coastline, and everyone else should be enjoying mostly fine and dry weather with temperatures about seasonal. A few showers around the western top end, including maybe a shower or a storm for Darwin. And we also see a band of isolated storms spread across central parts of the NT down towards Alice Springs. It is the usual story though. These showers and storms are very isolated, so if they're not happening directly overhead, it's generally dry, bright and sunny weather for the NT, as well as the Kimberley and other northern parts of Western Australia. So plenty of active weather around, particularly South Australia, Victoria and New South Wales. So do stay up to date with the weather forecast for the next few days, the Bureau website and app. Thanks for checking in.